Lajpat Nagar, located in Delhi, is a bustling commercial and residential area that experiences heavy traffic on a daily basis. To effectively manage this traffic and ensure smooth flow, the services of traffic surveyors are essential. These surveyors play a crucial role in assessing the traffic patterns, identifying congested areas, and suggesting improvements to enhance the overall traffic management system. The role of traffic surveyors in Lajpat Nagar is to conduct detailed surveys to gather data about the traffic volume, speed, and congestion levels in various parts of the area. They utilize advanced equipment and techniques to collect accurate and reliable information. This data is then analyzed to identify problem areas and determine the most suitable solutions for improving traffic flow and reducing congestion. One of the key responsibilities of traffic surveyors in Lajpat Nagar is to design effective traffic management schemes. They take into consideration factors such as road infrastructure, existing traffic regulations, and the volume of vehicles to develop plans that optimize the use of available resources. These plans may include implementing new traffic signals, constructing additional lanes or roundabouts, or modifying existing road layouts to ease congestion. SCON Design, a prominent design consultancy firm in Delhi, specializes in providing comprehensive solutions for traffic management and urban planning. Their team of experienced surveyors in Lajpat Nagar is well equipped to handle the complex challenges associated with traffic management in this busy area. SCON Design's expertise lies in conducting detailed surveys, analyzing data, and designing innovative solutions that are tailored to meet the specific needs of Lajpat Nagar. By working closely with local authorities and stakeholders, SCON Design surveyors in Lajpat Nagar ensure that their traffic management plans align with the overall development goals of the area. They consider factors such as pedestrian safety, accessibility for differently abled individuals, and the integration of public transportation systems into their designs. This holistic approach ensures that the traffic management solutions not only address immediate concerns but also contribute to the long-term sustainable development of Lajpat Nagar. In conclusion, the services of traffic surveyors in Lajpat Nagar are crucial for effective traffic management in this busy area. By conducting detailed surveys, analyzing data, and designing innovative solutions, these surveyors help alleviate congestion and improve traffic flow. SCON Design, with its expertise in traffic management and urban planning, offers comprehensive solutions that are tailored to meet the specific needs of Lajpat Nagar. Through their collaboration with local authorities and stakeholders, they ensure that their designs align with the overall development goals of the area.